Your Excellency, I have the honor to present Mr. Saeed Chaudhry, High Commissioner of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, to the Republic of Fiji.
Excellency, I bring to you the best wishes from the government and the people of Pakistan, and I have the honor to present to you credentials accrediting me as the non-resident High Commissioner for Pakistan to the Republic of Fiji. Excellency.
Your Excellency, I am pleased to receive your credentials, and I welcome you most warmly to the Republic of Fiji and wish you a happy and successful mission. Please convey to the President, the government, and the people of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan our warmest wishes for their continued well-being, peace and prosperity.
Thank you so much.
Something Fijian.
Something Fijian.
Oh, yeah, great.
Yeah.
Good memory.
Yeah.
And presented by the Honorable
Yes.
President of Fiji. It's a
Yes.
great honor.
I should have put one cricket thing there. Cricket bat.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.